Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front license plate bracket, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find 6-passenger seating, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.